how to spy on your competitors' Facebook ads. So the first thing you need to do is you're going to visit the Facebook ads library. I'm going to drop the link below in the comment section. So the first thing you have to do, say for example now, you're a competitor to Apple, right? And you want to track Apple's ads to take inspiration from. So all you just have to do is I usually select all, right? Then I select all ads and you click here to search app. Okay. So after searching Apple, you can see Apple has Apple TV, but I'm just going to click on Apple themselves. So after it loads, you can see various type of ads Apple is running. And if you have time, you can play any of the ads here and see what they look like and how they are pushing these ads to whoever they are pushing it to. So the funny thing here is that you may never see these ads because this is in different location. You can actually choose your location if you're in US, if you are in Nigeria, wherever you are. So the good thing here is you can actually use this to understand how people run their campaign. So take for example now you can see if there is any description. You can use this to understand how they are run. So this is not just for Apple. Take for example now you are using the keyword accounting. Let's say you're an accounting firm and you are trying to say, okay, which businesses are running ads that are, in accounting so that you can use it to take inspiration. So you just need to do is search accounting and you might be seeing different kinds of ads like yeah the Zoho books you can see them. So you don't only search with company, you can also search by keywords. So you can just go down and also you can just click on see ads details. It's going to bring up everything about the ad, the advertiser, and everything. If they're running a carousel ad, you're going to be seeing it here and how long the ads have been running for. Some businesses have been running ads for a very long time, right? This is how to tell you that okay, this particular ad is working for them and you should make use of it. The ads report library is here, and you can see the information about how much people are spending. So including ads, excluding ads, and anything political, you can see it here. So now you can see it here. So explore filters and download data for ads about socials since Smash. So I feel if I'm not mistaken, this should be it is between February. This is 1 month ago, but I don't know if this is a day, right? Okay, this is the last 7 days. Okay, this is the last 7 days. You can see how much has been spent on ads on different states and everything. Like this is a detailed report. So if you want to see how much is being spent in US, so I need to check this data if it's day or like per month or just total since March. If I'm not mistaken, this is more than a million. This is billion. This is like 5 billion in ads. That's crazy. Since 2019. Wow. So US spend much in ads. So yeah, this is not just from one store, this is from several stores and everything. So you can see how much this person has spent the last 7 days. This is how much California have spent in ads and everything. So there's a lot of data for you to use to understand your ad, how much your particular audience have spent and everything. So if you have more questions, you can click the link in the bio to book a one-on-one call with us. And if you have anything, you can also drop it in the comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Bye.